vaccine, something that the whole world needs. Almost everyone around me has got themselves vaccinated and are urging me to get myself vaccinated. But why? I've noticed that almost everyone has a different reaction to the same vaccine. Why is that so? For an instance, A has got a neutral reaction for the vaccine, whereas B has got high fever and body ache. So why is that happening? Is the vaccine working? Well, to know the answer to this question, we need to understand the inside out of a vaccine. What is a vaccine? Note that we're talking about a preventive vaccine over here. Generally, vaccine is a dose of antigen, a foreign entity in our body, which triggers the immune system to produce antibodies to kill a disease. But this doesn't just get over with making a vaccine. The vaccine needs to be tested before its action. So the vaccine goes through 5 basic levels of testing, namely preclinical testing, clinical testing, which has 4 phases: phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and phase 4, which is tested upon a wide range of organisms, including animals and humans. And when I say humans, I mean every person above the age of 18 is tested for the vaccine. Even with the people who are with underlying conditions are tested to check if the vaccine does any alterations to the existing disease or changes their body's response towards the disease. All the adverse events are noted in this thing. And once this testing is done successfully, the vaccine is ready to be marketed globally. But now comes the crucial part.
Now, the vaccine has entered our body, and let's see if it actually works. Well, this will give us the answer to our initial questions. Now, the vaccine, like I told, has trace amounts of antigen, which is nothing but the chromosome of the virus or any other harm causing organism. Now, when the preventive vaccine is inserted in an ordinary person, the antigen triggers the immune system and the WBC start producing the antibodies that will fight the antigen. A few extra antibodies, which are produced, also known as the memory cells, will multiply themselves and the actual antigen will attack the body. So after our vaccination, we are all set with memory cells that will protect us when the infection starts.
Now we know that the vaccine works. But why does it react so differently in everybody? Well, the answer to that is our immune system's response to the antigen. Some immune systems, being very quick, can react very fast and create new antibodies very fast and kill the antigen. While some immune systems try to rise the temperature of the body, which will give them time to produce antibodies. And that's why some of us experience fever. But not just your immune system, but your age matters too. If you're above the age of 40, then you're vulnerable to have all chronic diseases, and this may affect your body's late response to the antigen. But sometimes it's not even the problem in your body, it's sometimes a problem externally. Now, like I told, the trials are done. What if some of the trials are missed and are not done perfectly? So this can give us a variation in our response. The response may vary. Even if the adverse events are not noted, the reactions can vary. But also your dosage matters. The wrong dosage of anything, you have a significant different response.
Thank you so much for listening to me.